how to set exemption when do not disturb is on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, you can see here the do not disturb. Okay, you can tap this and do not disturb. In exemption section, you can see here the option. Okay, you can set the call, message, and conversation, and also the alarm and sounds, and the app. So, for example, on call, message, and conversation, for example, I set into contact only, and the repeat caller, you can turn on or off this, but I decided to turn off. The message is, I set into contact only. The conversation is all. And okay, also you can set the alarm and sounds. Okay, you can turn on or off the alarm, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar event, and reminders. Okay, and also the apps. Call, message, and conversation you allow will reach you even if you don't allow the associated app. So, for example, I add the application. Tap an app to add it to app that can ignore do not disturb. So, for my example, I select the app, the camera, okay, turn on this, and also the clock, okay, turn on this, the setting of this clock, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully add app, and also you can add more app by tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen and select the app. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the exemption when do not disturb is on Samsung Galaxy A02.